Alright, so these are my lung auscultation sites. So you're gonna start above the clavicle and have them take a deep breath. Go down to above from the center, second intercostal space. Each time you move, taking a deep breath. Again. Again. And then making your way over. Deeper. Move our way to the back on this side. And move over to the other side of the back. The same locations, just checking the other lung. And then go back to the front. Turn above the clavicle. Down to the center intercostal. Now we're gonna go into our heart auscultations. So first we're gonna start over here for the tricuspid valve. Take a deep breath, just listening. Listening for a left up sound. Over to the other side here. Reach point. And then the test for a heart rhythm, we're gonna have them sit down on the table. And put the stethoscope over Herb's point, and we're gonna have them lay down slowly, listening for a whooshing sound.